Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Wednesday, the 4th day of June 2025. I'm doing this video in the late evening, so a lot of people might not see this video on today being the 4th June. Now, first of all, I want to let you know that conflict and crisis reporting is one of the most difficult aspects of blogging or journalism, because you've got to do investigation before you can, put on your camera and talk, because anything about conflicts, reporting and crisis, wars, and so on and so forth, it is something that is sensitive. So you've got to report without partiality. However, you must be truthful, because everything someone said must be verifiable. We are living in a global village that anything I say today now, you can verify it. Now, if you have been following me for about 8 months now, you would understand that I have done about 8 to 9 videos about insecurity in Delta State. I'm talking about a year ago, 9 months ago, 8 months ago. I'm not even talking about the recent videos I am doing about what is going on in Delta State. And during one of my live video, I brought someone who reported to me about the influence of all these terrorists into Delta State since 2023. So we analyzed everything that is going on. One thing you can't take away from me is telling you what is about to happen about insecurity. Don't take that away from me. If you have been following me, there is nothing I have come out here to say about insecurity that you will not see happening tomorrow. Nigeria is one of the easiest country to gather intelligence. Very, very easy to gather intelligence, because, terrorists in Nigeria operate on a free zone. When I mean on a free zone, they don't hide to operate. They operate naturally, like this is their terrain. This is their land. This is their country. They own it. They are not afraid of the police. They are not afraid of the military. Now, quickly, about a month ago, I reported about something that happened along Isenuku. If you are going to Gwashuku, Asaba, something terrible happened in that road. In the same month, the same thing happened along from Uromi Junction in Agbo, the road leading to Sowore. And now let me tell you what happened. I said it before, let me say it again. Because everything that is happening in Delta State today, I predicted it. But I'm going to tell you the worst thing that is about to happen now. I told you people that there were 2 trucks coming from the north. They passed Edo State. On getting to Agbo, there is a checkpoint. Military checkpoint close to that military barrack. If you are now going to Edo State from Agbo, I'm talking about Ekpa South, that road. These people were profiled. They were profiled, they were searched. Military searched them. So they did not find any gun with them. They did not find anything incriminating with them. These people were literally coming from the north, and they said they were Fulanis, but they don't have any gun, no machete, nothing, no dagger with them. The military allowed them to pass. This thing happens last month. I reported it. Then they started monitoring these people. They put on call on Asaba. They put on call in Isenuku to monitor the movement of these people, so that people will actually know where they were going. They were asked, where are you people going? They said they are going to Onitsha to join their brothers who are selling onions. This was just a statement they made. What I'm saying is verifiable. These people, they did not see them in Asaba. Where do they stop? The truck that took them, why didn't the security operatives, who are aware of what I'm saying now, why didn't they track the truck to ask the man, where do you drop these people? These people passed Isenuku, they did not reach Isenazagba. In other words, between Isenuku and Isenazagba, a lot of people have been dropped and they have gone into the bush. Maybe there are AK-47 waiting for them in the bush. Maybe the way they smuggle, what is it called? The way they smuggle gum is totally different with the way they transport people into the bush. Now, the same scenario happened. People who said they are heading to Sowore side, do they get to Sowore? No. They said they were dropped around Abraka. Even before Abraka, they were dropped there. And where do they go? Where do they go to? So, after this thing happened, remember I told you that there will be a new wave of terror attack in Delta State. And as I speak to you, that is what is happening. Ever since then, the different kind of insecurity reporting in Delta North, in these areas that they drop these people, In Delta South, the people are even talking of Abraka. Abraka is not the worst in Delta Central or Delta South. So these people, strategically, they have position coupled with people who have been around since, right from 2023. They have been, wave of these people coming into the bushes, positioning strategically. Now, I made a statement that people criticized me. They said what I said is totally wrong. I said Delta State is going to become a new Benue State unless an action is being taken. By the way, I am from Delta State, so I am not wishing myself bad. I'm not wishing my state bad. But I'm just trying to tell you, look at what is happening. The military are aware of what I'm saying. The military, they are aware of what I'm saying. By the way, I talked with almost 1, 2, 3. Okay, there were 2 soldiers and the other one was a policeman that called me. And we talk about all these things. So I am telling you that the military men are aware of what I'm saying. The policemen are aware of this. Now, let me give you another, caption or concept for you to understand what I'm saying better. About the killing in Abraka, there have been a lot of kidnapping in Abraka State. So after the protest that I reported that the people carried out day before yesterday, so there was a joint security team with the police, the vigilante, the village people. They killed 4 kidnappers. They were profiled, and these people were Fulani herdsmen, as they call them, with AK-47. So after that, these people regrouped, these terrorists. They regrouped, they came back, they killed 2 indigenes today, 4th of June. So after killing the 2 indigenes now, I put on a call. I called some persons who told me that the military they sent did not even stay up, they did not stay the way they're supposed to stay. They did not position strategically. It's like they just give up after coming to show force. Why? Because these people might be, genuinely not collaborating with terrorists, but they will feel that this place is not my home. I made mention of this when I criticized the Delta State Governor, Sheriff Obori, that he is very weak, that he don't know what he's doing when it comes to insecurity. Insecurity is not what you do with press briefing. That you come out, you just carry press briefing. We are going to deal with this system. No. This is not matter of press briefing. We want to see action. The police, the military, it has been proven. And I will give you the evidence that these people has nothing to do with fighting insecurity. When it comes to communities, villages, they don't do anything. You are wasting your time. If you want to mobilize, sponsor, give these people money, give the heroes, you are wasting your time. If you really want to solve any insecurity situation in any place, the best thing to do is to arm the community people, arm the vigilante, give them healers, give them gum, give them support. If they need room, give them room. These are the only people that can fight with their mind, because their mothers are being kidnapped, are being raped. Everybody around them are being hunted by these people. So they can't even think of withdrawing back or betraying the struggle, because that is their land. So if such thing is not being done in Delta State, forget about all these stories you people are saying. Look at the worst thing is about to happen. These people are coming. These people are coming. Don't say that I did not say it. Watch out what will happen like next 3 weeks, next 4 weeks. Because these people, after they come into a place, I have said this repeatedly, it takes like 2 weeks before these people will start operating. Forget about what you are seeing now. The military men, intelligence, I repeat, is one of the easiest things to gather in Nigeria. Because the terrorists are not operating like secret or hiding their operations. They are just going like we have government supporting us. That is what they are doing. So I am putting it to you that Delta State, not only that is under siege. If you just type Delta State is under siege, Okochapi myself, you will see how many videos I have done about this. So I have said everything before. Everything happening now, I said it before. So if I tell you what is coming now, don't say what is coming. I am telling you there will be more and more wave of insecurity. So if the Benue issue, if we don't want it to be repeated in Delta State, the only thing the government of Sheriff Oboriwori should do is through the local government chairman, arm the security vigilantes. We already have vigilantes enough. Delta people are people that you can hardly intimidate them. They learn how to fight back. it is difficult to defeat them. So it's an advantage. And most of them have been doing it right from time. They have been giving all these terrorists their best medicine. Most of them have been sent to their creator. So they can do it again. They just need the help of the government. But if Sheriff did not take action, not just calling police or military, call a very urgent security meeting, summon councillors, local government chairmen, summon them. If this thing, it has to do with community to community. If you didn't do this, we will not let you rest. Because I don't know, the security of life and property of the people is the primary responsibility of the government. So if the government did not do it, I don't want to believe that the Delta State government are colluding with the armed bandits. I don't have any evidence about that. I don't have any proof about that. But until further notice, when we have it, we'll still report it. We don't hide anything here. So that is what I have to say about the insecurity in Delta State. For now, it is what it is. I actually believe that Nigeria is not sustainable because most politicians in Nigeria are the ones who are sponsoring all these men who are terrorizing. Most of them confessed on national television that they imported them into Nigeria and so on and so forth. That is for another video, on another day. Thanks for watching. I'm Okocha P. Marcel, talking reality out of issues. See you on my next video.